In this video, I'll explain how chest muscles grow and how you should train them for size. Your chest is mainly made of the pectoralis major. It has two key parts, upper chest and middle lower chest. To build a bigger chest, you must train both angles. Most people only do fast push-ups. This reduces muscle tension and limits growth. Chest size comes from slow, controlled movement. Wide push-ups stretch the chest fibers more. This increases muscle activation in the middle chest. When your feet are elevated, your upper chest works harder. Upper chest thickness makes your chest look bigger. Close hand position targets inner chest and improves definition. Holding the bottom position increases time under tension, which is essential for muscle growth. Do 3 to 4 sets of each exercise. Train chest 2 to 3 times per week. Increase reps over time for progress. Muscle grows during rest, not during workouts. Eat enough protein and sleep at least 7 hours. Chest growth requires correct form, consistency, and patience. Follow this method for long-term results. If this video helped you understand chest training better, subscribe for more clear and honest fitness guidance.